y'all. Today's gonna be more of like a vlog style video. I'm basically, hold on, let me put the phone down. I'm basically gonna be showing y'all what my home office looks like, and I'm gonna be giving you guys a few tips on how you can get product shoots for your business. I know I haven't been on here in a long time. A lot of things have happened. I started a business, I moved into my own apartment. So I'm gonna show y'all what my home office looks like. I'm gonna show you actually from afar first, just so you can see how I have everything set up. So this is what it's looking like from afar, and like I said, it's not finished yet because I'm still trying to build this curtain I have. I just ran out of ivy that I got from Amazon because I'm basically gonna put it like all around the rope, and then it's gonna cover off my entire corner, so I'm really hyped to finish that. But yeah, this is how it's looking right now. I still want to organize it better. I want to put shelves on the wall and everything, but this is what I got so far, so I'm very happy with this. And as you can see, I have my desk over here. I have the cart where I keep all of my supplies, some jewelry on the top. Then I have my bookshelf where I have like orders that need to go out, some books, crystals, more crystals. I have some more bracelets there. And then I just have like some paperwork stuff, a cleaner, you know, just a bunch of random stuff over here. Some storage containers from the dollar store. And then over here, this is basically like me setting up for a photo shoot and just stuff that I have over here for a shoot. So this is the photo box that I got from Amazon, and everything you see in there is from the dollar store. I actually made a TikTok about this, so I'm gonna link all of my social medias down below so you guys can watch it. But that's a photo box, and then I have this crate right here with a wooden thing on top and some photo paper, or not photo paper, I'm sorry, scrapbook paper. I also have, I'm sorry, I'm laughing because I'm like kneeling on the floor and Coco just jumped on me. She's like all in my face. Look at my hair. But basically this is what I do for photo shoots. I just do all different types of setups and try to put something together. So that's what I'm in the process of right now. I also have this little DIY cork board thing that I made. So this I feel like is gonna be really nice once the curtain is finished, because my office is gonna be closed off with this curtain, and I'm gonna put more vines to make it more fuller, but this will be like on the outside of my business or of my office corner. So basically this is a board that I made where anyone who has a small business that comes over or knows anyone who has a small business, they can put their business cards here. So I have a few. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I have YA Cosmetics. There's their social media. You can go check them out, take a screenshot. And then this is what I made to put in the middle of it. It says your business cards here. So I thought that was really cute. I used my label maker for that, and an index card. I also have A&J's Food Service on Wheels. You could also screenshot that, take a picture. I'm also gonna link their social media. Then I have my business cards here for Uplifting Creations. And then I also have this little sticker here for Crimson Moon Crystals, which is the supplier, well, not the supplier, she basically has a small business and she sells crystals, and I get all of my crystals from her. So I have her little thing right there. I'm gonna link her social media. But yeah, that's gonna be on the outside once the curtain is all finished. So I'm really happy about that. It was just something random that came to mind that I wanted to make. So I have some books down here and some crystals. So this is a candle holder. I can put a candle in there. I gotta put something in there. Right now it's just holding my books in place. And then I have some crystals over there on top of a little mirror plate. So on the third shelf, I have some sage over here. I have some more crystals. I have a rose quartz tree. I have a green fluorite bowl. And then I have my stand that has some of the bracelets that I made for my business. I also got another jar back there of sage. A little bit of sage left. And then the fourth shelf, I basically just have like my binder folder with like important paperwork, receipts and stuff like that is in there. So then I have this little souvenir cup when I went to North Carolina, some multi-purpose cleaner spray, and then on the bottom shelf is just some packaging material. It's a biodegradable packaging material that I haven't used yet, but that's what that cardboard looking stuff is down there. I have some hand sanitizer, I also have a cash box because I might possibly doing like a pop-up shop soon. Sorry, I can't even say that. I might be doing a pop-up shop soon, so that's why I got the cash box just in case. And then I have some storage containers from the dollar store and from Dollar General. So over here I have the cart that holds all of my supplies. I got this cart from Amazon. I don't remember how much it was, but if anything, I'll link it below. And then I have some more jewelry over here. I have some of my necklaces that I made, and I have some more bracelets and beads. So moving on to my desk where I do all of my work. This desk was from Bob's Furniture. I have to fix the drawer, that's why it looks like that. But this is what it's looking like. So I have this little plate that was made at an event that I had my business advertised for. I have some business cards over here in the holder. These are just a whole bunch of beads. I have some books that I'm currently reading, some bracelets. Well, this is like beads that I took out to make some more bracelets with those colors. And then I have another bead holder just because I have a lot more beads coming in the mail, so I'm gonna need a whole bunch of those. This has like a bunch of pens and markers and stuff, some more supplies over there. By the way, this was $3 at Target. This is like super convenient. I love it. Then I have my pencil sharpener. I have one of my cameras, my watch charger. I got this little desk light from Amazon that's really cool. So I'm gonna show y'all. It has a dimmer, but I'll just turn it off and on from now. I really like this desk lamp because I can kind of like bend it to however I need it. So if I want to bend it down more, like if I'm making a bracelet or like making a necklace, I can pull the light down so that it's a little bit closer and I can see better into detail to what I'm doing. But then over here, I have some sticky notes. I have some lotion. This is one of the boxes that I put my necklaces in. I have some string that I'm currently using right now. I do have a drawer filled with string at the bottom, but like honestly, I need to organize this, so don't mind it. But you know, this is just like a lot of extra string. So the string that I'm using right now is the string that you saw up there. And I'm not going to show you guys the inside of my desk because it's a little bit messy right now. And basically I have just like receipts in there and, you know, more pens and pencils, index cards and stuff like that. So y'all don't gotta worry about that anyway. So this is my desk chair. It's really old. I've honestly had this thing for years, so it kind of has like stains on it. But I'm thinking of reupholstering it and like putting some fabric or even like a black fur fabric or something. I'm not too sure yet. But that's what my chair looks like. And then I'm gonna show you guys one more time from afar of how everything looks. By the way, this is the lamp that we have right now in our living room. Just because like this apartment doesn't come with lamps in the middle of the room. It only has like this one and a light by the dining room. So that's the only one that we have right now. We had that in our own apartment. And I usually keep it over by my business corner because I don't get a lot of light in here, even during the day, just because the sun rises behind us and it sets in front of us. So right now I'm getting more light, but during the daytime, like early in the morning, it's weird because it's actually darker. So I get more light when it's time for the sunset. So now I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing over here for some home product photo shoots. So this is the photo box that I got from Amazon, and this really comes in handy because you can basically like put any background you like. You can put anything in here, and then it has lights on top. So with those lights, you can basically you know, it lights up the whole box and you can get a nice photo with this, especially if you don't have like good lighting in your home. This is really, really good for that. Ignore the screw and the bunny hair. But basically this is the setup that I use for my website photos. I'm gonna put some on the screen right now so you guys can see what they look like. And this is basically all stuff from the dollar store. So everything you see here was $1. And I made this from everything that I got from the dollar store. This little platform right here is basically a foam circle with some moss on top, and then I glued a piece of these sheets that I have put down there and on the back onto it, so it like it basically blends in, and it's kind of messed up right now. A lot of stuff is like falling over, and these aren't even, you know, it's not even covered up on the bottom yet, but you know, I always fix it up before I take more pictures. So that's what that looks like. I love this thing. I use it all the time. Like I said, I take all my website pictures there, so that's why I always have that set up in there. But then over here, I have this crate that I got from Walmart a couple years ago. I think it was like $10. And then I have this wooden board I got from Michael's. I also have some scrapbook paper. This is like a kitchen napkin or whatever, you know, just random stuff that I be putting together to do pictures. So this is the Canon T6i. This is the camera that I use to take all of my pictures. I did buy this lens separate, so I'll link the camera and the separate lens down below. I got it from Amazon. And then over here I have some Palo Santo sticks, some crystals, some bracelets and necklaces that I was doing photos with. And you know, every time I do photos, obviously, like, I have to do a completely different setup, so that's just like some random stuff right there right now. I also forgot to mention that I have this box light here. Mine is like really old, and like, I guess because I had it for so long and used it so many times, basically like these the poles or whatever, I'm sorry, I don't know how to explain this, but they went through the fabric here because this is supposed to be attached to the corner, and so is this part. So that's basically, you know, it's ripping right here too. But yeah, I guess because I use it all the time, and I've used it so many times, and I've taken it different places with me. But I got it from Amazon. This is the brand, and it's really nice. It's just really convenient because I don't really get that much natural sunlight, so I can turn this on, and then I can still have good lighting for my photos. And then this paired with the box light, like if I'm doing pictures in there, is like amazing. So that's how that looks when it's on. And you know, like, this is just a random setup. I still have to do more photo shoots today after this video, but that's how I got it right now. And then I'm gonna give you guys another view from this way of how my office looks. And it's right next to my front door. I actually wanted it to be on the opposite corner, like over there, but because the AC is over there and like the wall is like weird right there, I just couldn't put it over there, so it had to be right here, because over there I would have got a lot more natural lighting, but it's fine. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I have some random boxes over here with more stuff that I use for photo shoots, basically like props and everything. But that's what my home office looks like. If you guys want like an in-depth tour, like, I could literally show you all of my beads. I can show you this drawer once I organize it, and I can show you guys like inside of these drawers everything that I use and have. Let me know in the comments down below. I'll be more than happy to film that for you guys. Honestly, that's about it for this video, y'all. I really hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed the mini tour that I gave you guys of my office corner, well, my at-home office. So let me know what you guys think of the video. Let me know if you want to do a more in-depth tour, and also I could do more videos on, like, you know, different props that I use for home photo shoots for your products, or different setups or whatever. Let me know, because I could definitely walk you guys through that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram, follow my business page, check out my business website. I'm gonna link all of my links below so you guys can check that out. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and thank you guys for watching.
And let love flow.